Alright guys, this is Abdel from the Trading Authority Ratio Trader. Let's go ahead and take a look at some markets real quick. I got some requests earlier and I wanted to take some time to take a look at really what's happened in the past week and what we can expect. Okay, the first thing we're actually taking a look at, this is Ford on the weekly chart. Let me actually drag this down so you can see the symbols. Ford on the weekly chart. Those of you in the Ratio Trader room, if this thing doesn't gap any lower on Monday, we're going to be looking to establish a short, really tight stop at around $6, and we're really looking for a significant move. Probably could even see around the 350, 375-ish range in the coming weeks. Okay, you see we're at significant area of resistance. Those of you who follow us in the room know the signal here, and again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful low-risk trade there. It'll be real interesting to see what happens in the coming weeks. Now, as we take a look, let's go ahead and look at the overall market, and we take a look at the spiders here. We got a couple things going on, actually. I really think that we're setting up for a possible pullback of some sorts. Now, ignore this candle because this candle is actually going to be next week's candle. You see, last week's candle closed on a hammer and closed lower than the prior week. Okay, so based on a couple of other things, including that, I really think we're going to see a pullback here. If we go to the daily chart, if you go to the daily chart, you see we got this beautiful double top setting up right here. We had a double top here, that was the pullback, and a double top here where we could see the pullback, okay? And then those of you who've been watching and keeping up to date with us, we talked about how these markets have been respecting symmetry. Fantastic. You see we had that low, that high here, we spiked low, and what's happening is each time we tend to break and make new lows, the market screams higher. So in this situation, we consolidated, double bottom here, rally, pop down. As soon as we made the new low there, bam, rally, right? And that rally went from this swing low here back to this high. Then what happened? We came down, bam. Let's see where that happened. Now, we talk about how amazing the market respects symmetry. You'll see I'll take this line right here that represents that move down to the downside. I'm just going to take it. I'm going to drag it over as like a copy and paste sort of thing. Paste it right there to that high. And you'll see that the low here was right to the tick. And we were able to produce that by using symmetry and some fib confluence. I'll go from this swing